Yes, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Kindly have a seat, Mr. Uncle.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
I am sorry.
Yes.
It had it to happen last week. You called me, but then I couldn't pick your call.
You pick up my call.
I am very sorry.
What's up?
I am very sorry, sir. I apologize for that. I saw your message that you asked me to come in your office.
Coming right now in the office, then I'm responding to playing with the response. But there's this problem ongoing in this school about the issue that mother they are harassing students. What's wrong in between you and students?
Okay, sorry, sir, for that. I must apologize for that because it had to happen, but then it was not intentional. In fact, I think I've been receiving cases of these weak boys, the notorious ones in Form 3, and then I was about punching them, then just out of anger it had to happen. So I am very sorry, sir. I think it's not going to fix it. I'm going to rectify on that on the side.
You want a good mean grade, especially in mathematics. So try to get a good rapport in between you and students, okay?
Yes, sir. I will try. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Same to you, sir.
Mwalimu anakaribia kukuja darasa.
Ndio waamshe mama yako.
Nakwambia kama ndugu yangu amke, mwalimu anakuja darasani.
Acha kuja nipate. Kwa mwalimu atanifanya nini?
And the still control of and the still system, I know what you
Hebu nenda pale mbele ukapige makofi. Makofi kwa mbele. Nenda. Yaani wewe umetoka nyumbani kuja kulala darasani? Hamjambo wanafunzi? Hamjambo. Leo tunazungumza kuhusu isimu. Naanza na kuzungumza kueleza maana ya isimu. Ni sayansi ya lugha inayochunguza kwa undani muundo na asili ya kila lugha, malengo yake, alafu pia kuna viwango vyake. Baadhi ya viwango vya isimu ni kama fonetiki, semantiki, sintaksia, mofolojia na pragmatiki.
Sintaksia.
Tafadhali mwalimu, naomba ruhusa kuingia.
Ingia.
Tafadhali
Kazi ya ziada, fungua ukurasa wa 88. Vitabu vikusanywe kesho asubuhi. Sawa?
Ndio mwalimu.
Kijacho tutazungumza kuhusu viwango vya isimu. Sawa? No, utaniona baada ya darasa.
Madam, tunaweza ongelea hapo.
Mr. Robinson.
Yes.
Niwekee chai hapa.
You know, madam, this issue of kuwekewa chai, we were told that men are supposed to be served.
Who said?
Not women.
Who said so?
You know, even the Bible says men are the head of the family.
From which chapter?
Again, okay, you are using me, but because of
Don't
my humility,
don't worry.
because of my humility, let me just serve. You know, they say leaders should serve by example.
Good.
Yeah. Because I'm the staff room leader, now let me just serve as an example.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Mr. Obi.
Yes, mwalimu.
Good morning bwana.
Good morning.
Bwana mnarauka na chai tu hapa mapema ama hata ishaisha?
Lazima, unajua kuna double lesson.
Nilidhani ni kama madam.
Yes.
Morning. Ni aje Madam Sharon? Mko fit?
Yeah.
Naona duty haikupeleki vibaya.
Iko poa sana.
Ninaona. Na mmechangamkia chai mapema sana.
Kuna class.
Cha tuwekeke hii chai kidogo. Otherwise maneno iko aje?
Poa. Naendelea poa. Labda za kwako.
Mkubwa amefika shule?
Bado.
Bado.
Mwalimu,
weka chai. Unajua
acha niongeze.
Nimeona kwa timetable uko na double lesson.
Niko na double lesson in fact.
So unaweza weka hata vikombe.
Na sukari iko chini ama wajaleta huko kitchen.
Si unajua tu management ya shule. Shule unajua tu management haiko poa sana.
Jamani makubwa. Siku hizi wanafunzi na walimu.
Nimeshangaa.
Wanafunzi wa siku hizi jamani wanatushangaza.
Kwani ni nini madam, mbona mnaongelea chini sana hiyo maneno? Nani hao wanatembea na wanafunzi? Najua hiyo ni tabia mbaya sana.
Sana. Kuna mwalimu hii shule. Anatembea na mwanafunzi wa kidato cha 3.
Nani huyo?
Unajua mwalimu haiwezi kuwa kwa staff room sasa hivi kwa sababu hapo walimu ambao wako hapa, this principal have been complimenting very well about us. So sidhani kama inaweza kuwa miongoni mwetu hapa.
Lakini hawezi akakuwa hata ako hapa. Hawezi. Huyo hawezi huyo mwalimu. Lakini ni tabia mbaya.
Kwa mwalimu ni tabia mbaya. It's a very bad habit.
Ilikuwa sijui shule gani yule mwalimu mwenye aliweka mimba msichana.
Na nakwambia unajua alikuwa interdicted for 2 years, hata kesi yake bado haijaisha. So this one naona pia ikielekea hapo. But yeah. But let us leave all things to the principal.
Very painful akiachishwa kazi. And in fact, he knows the consequences of what he's doing.
Na kwani madams wanakaa ni kama wanamjua.
No, we don't know him.
Wamesema mmoja wa
walimu yani ni
lakini sidhani kama atakuwa kwa hapa. Hajaingia hata.
Acha tuone.
Yeah, hajaingia bado.
Bado hajaingia.
Sawa sawa bwana.
So good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
So where did we were at cell division.
Yes.
Cell division. Cell division. Na kama mnakumbuka tulikuwa tumezungumzia that homologous chromosomes lie side by side forming divalent pairs. Ndio?
Yes, sir.
Ina form divalent pairs kama hiyo. Yeah. So we went further and said that when they divide, they form divalent pairs. Hapo katikati ilikuwa inaitwa chiasma, ndio?
Yes.
Sasa hapo kwa chiasma itaform chiasmata. Baadaye then the cell divide. Sawa sawa? So I'll leave assignment for you guys. Go and look the process of cell division, and then remember I will test what I have said. Chenye nitaleta kwa mtihani ni chenye nimefunza. And this time I'm going to test something on cell division. Sawa sawa?
Yes.
Sasa go and read more about cell division. Then make sure unaangalia process by tomorrow evening. I'll collect the books about the process of cell division. Sawa sawa?
Yes.
Yeah. I think I'm loud and clear.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye.
Today I want to talk about Renaissance. Press was invented by Johannes Gutenberg. So this printing press enabled the scholars in Europe by that time to print more books, and that enhanced education to be very accessible to all. And then we are going to talk about the last topic of subtopic is effect of Renaissance. And the first effect it brought with economic growth.
Ule. Oh, yeye tunasikia alikuwa analala.
Mambo.
Poa.
Si ulilala sana last class.
Nililala bando maana sitaki kusoma.
Mbona ulilala?
Ile sana siku hapo nyumba.
Kwani ilikuwa subject gani wewe unalala mwanangu?
Ilikuwa Kiswahili maji.
Kiswahili ni unalala. Kiswahili vitu unasoma tu sauti nini unalala.
Sauti uje sasa.
Kiswahili. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shika.
Ai bwana. Hivi mnaniarea mianga kila break tu mimi nashikanga tu.
Hapana.
Hapana. 4. Kuja.
Ni mara nne?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Utamawe. Twende. Utamawe.
Ni mimi.
Hiyo tu peke yake. Leo hujaniletea juice. Hiyo siku hujaniletea hata chocolate.
Sikiaje, twende wote.
Cheza vizuri. Arada.
Msichana si nilikataa. Nikwambia achana na msichana. Nikwambia achana na msichana. Nikwambia achana na msichana.
Sasa
Imagine huyu prince ananikasirishanga.
Mbona alifanya?
Imagine ananiambia ati niambie sufuria ya uji.
Na ulilihama.
Si ndio, kwani ningemwachia? By the way class, uko na kitu cha kuambia.
kitu gani?
Uko na kitu cha kuambia. Unajua Mr. wako ametuzoea sana. So leo lazima tumwambie ama ni aje? Sasa Mr. wako atakuwa anachukua break, lunch time, PE, double camp, yani kila kitu ni yake. Si mtani support. Sasa nyinyi wana wabo. Very nice.
Pia mimi huwa nasikia ananibo vibaya sana. Wallahi.
Pia wewe ndio kwa kando yangu.
Huo ni bo, kwani ni uongo.
Mbona unaongelea issue kweli?
Aisha siwezi ingilia ni za kutetea shida.
Itaanza shida. Yeye naye mnakaa aje? Amwezi nitetea aje?
Lazima tu raise hiyo issue. Jordan anaonelea sana mabackbencher basi. Ndio. Bana.
Sir, we are fine, thank you.
So it's time for mathematics. Can you take out your mathematics?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
Kuna kitu inanikera.
Yes,
Me and
what is
my
it?
classmate, we have decided that we don't like the way you talk, the way you dress, the way you teach, and the way you come in class.
Which classmate?
So we have decided that
Yes.
today you are not going to teach us. Hata tufeva sisi madwanzi alafu unafeva na wale machopi.
So let's consider that you and your classmate.
Yes, me and my classmate.
Okay. Is that so? Yes, no? Okay. That is good. Yes. This is not correct.
Unaniruka.
Okay. Back there. Main group studio.
Teacher. Yes, you are the best teacher in this school.
Wow, that is good. Can you clap for me? So let's go and unafanya wengine wanakuwa mishambaya.
No. We were together. We were together with them.
No.
With them, mwalimu. We were together. Mwalimu, we were together.
Hapa tuende na wewe tutoka tuende na wewe.
Mwalimu alama.
No.
Today I have called this brief meeting whereby I have some few agendas to unfold. Firstly, our election to introduce new staff members whereby I have Madam Beryl and Madam Sharon. Kindly you can introduce yourself to other staff members.
How are you, teachers?
So far, we are fine.
I'm Beryl Vanessa, and I'll be teaching Kiswahili. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good afternoon, teachers. I'm Madam Sharon. I'm taking history.
Thank you. Welcome. Feel at home.
Thank you.
Attend to my students. Agenda 2, then I would like to talk about indiscipline cases of students. I've been receiving too much indiscipline cases from my students, whereby one of the case, Mr. Wako, was involved, whereby I've solved the case. Let's just maintain this thing of this school, okay? I think we need more good results. Okay? Then another agenda to talk about how teachers are conducting lessons with students. Okay? We are conducting very badly with our students. Kindly please, if it's to punish, just punish where the students is wrong. Because we understand, I know. Najua ile hasira ya mwalimu inafunza hili mtazaship. Just try to balance that relationship between you and students. Because sometimes parents are coming here to play that are training students and how we live. We just need to have a good rapport with our students. Pia mwanafunzi feel that environment of being in school. Okay, Mr. Wako. Thank you. Then the last one I'm talking about. I have these cases of relationship in between teachers and students. Kindly please, tuwape heshima. Sawa, hata mienendo na utamaduni iwe sawa. Kindly just listen to our agendas. Few of more will be talking. Okay, Mr. Madam, welcome.
Thank you.
From that, we don't have anything. Okay, then I think we can adjourn the meeting. We'll meet next.
Okay, thank you, Madam.
Thank you.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How are you, students?
We are fine.
So, as you know, today is a day of our debate. So, it's our debating day. I hope you are fully prepared, right?
Yes.
What is our motion?
Education is better than
Money.
Education is better than
Money.
And we have our motion mover here and also our speaker. So I want to give them the floor of the stage so that they can continue. I expect maximum cooperation from both sides, okay?
Yes.
Remember, who are going to win, they are going to have an award, okay?
Yes.
Thank you. Welcome, Noah.
I honor the house. Our motion today is education is better than money. And on my left side is the proposer side. The proposer side will be supporting the motion by saying that education is better than money. On my right hand side, we have the opposer side. The opposer, on my right hand side is the opposers. The opposers will be opposing the motion that money is better than education. Are you together? And we shall start by having the first proposer, then the first opposer.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I would like to support the motion that says that education is better than money by saying that it's through education that people acquire knowledge which enhances critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and decision-making skills, which money cannot do. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
First proposer.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for giving this opportunity. I want to stand to say that money is better than education because I want to be in school so that he can gain education. He or she needs to have money first. Thank you.
Okay, everyone. And you will be raising your opinions and your ideas through Madam Speaker. Welcome. We are starting from the proposing side.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, for this opportunity. For me, I propose the motion that education is better than money because education can be stolen while money can be stolen.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving me this opportunity. I want to be against the motion that money is better than education, because if you are broke and you don't have money, you cannot do anything. But if you have money, and even mistakes can be intelligent.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving me this opportunity. I want to propose answer my education. Yes, my fellow student, I say, you can have money but lack happiness. And education is the key to any kingdom. That's it.
Good evening. A moment of silence. I'm sorry to announce that we have lost one of our